Spin mops offer a unique and efficient solution for cleaning. With their fast-absorbing abilities and built-in centrifuge, they make wringing out excess water a breeze. This means you can focus more on tackling the mess at hand and less on dealing with a wet mop head. Spin mops are a great investment because they are user-friendly and require less physical effort to wring out water, says Marla Mock, the president of Molly Maid, a neighborly company. Moreover, they are incredibly convenient since many of them come with easily replaceable mop heads, saving users time and effort. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. True and Tidy Spin Mop and Bucket System. The True and Tidy TruClean Spin Mop and Bucket System is the perfect lightweight spin mop weighing less than 4 pounds. Its adjustable handle allows for customization according to your preferred height, making cleaning more comfortable. The portability of this mop is exceptional, as the bucket, although lacking wheels, is incredibly lightweight, easy to fill and carry around. It also takes up minimal space, fitting into tight storage areas with ease. One of the standout features of this mop is its dual-compartment bucket. This design enables the separation of clean and dirty water, ensuring that you never use dirty water to clean your floors. Additionally, the bucket includes a built-in brush for convenient scrubbing of the mop pads during each spin, simplifying the cleaning process. In our testing, we found that hand-washing the mop heads removed most residue, while a cycle in the washing machine left them impeccably clean. While the TruClean Spin Mop and Bucket System effectively tackled spills like water, apple juice, and oil, it struggled a bit with substances like marinara sauce and potting soil. Constant rinsing and cleaning of the mop head were necessary to maintain optimal performance. Despite this limitation, this spin mop remains a reliable and efficient tool for everyday cleaning tasks. Hurricane Spin Mop. If you're tired of dealing with messy spills in the kitchen, the Hurricane Spin Mop is the perfect solution. After extensive testing, we've concluded that this spin mop is the best option for kitchens, as it effortlessly cleans up any spills you may encounter. And when it's time to clean the mop bucket and wringing system, you'll be pleased to know that it's a breeze with the Bulbhead Hurricane Spin Mop. Unlike other spin mops, this one is incredibly easy to clean and use. The mop head can easily be detached and reattached to the handle, making maintenance a quick and simple task. The 360-degree swivel action of the mop head allows you to maneuver with ease, ensuring that every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned. The microfiber mop head is soft and absorbent, perfect for tackling any mess. While it excels on hardwood floors, it may require a bit more pressure to effectively clean grout between tiles. The large bucket size is a bonus for those who need to clean larger areas or require more water for their cleaning tasks. With a foot pedal for wringing out and drying the mop, you'll have no trouble keeping your mop in pristine condition. The lightweight handle is not only comfortable to use, but also slim enough to reach under furniture, appliances, and tight spaces. Say goodbye to those hard-to-reach areas that were previously a pain to clean. Still searching for the perfect spin mop? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop. The Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop is a top choice for those looking for the convenience of an electric spin mop. With a runtime of 20 minutes on one charge, this mop can effectively tackle various stains and messes in just under 9 minutes. During our testing, we were impressed with the mop's ability to clean up apple juice, oil, butter, marinara sauce, and potting soil. It only took a few passes to remove the soil, sauce, juice, and oil from the floor. However, we did notice that the mop pads struggled to clean in the cracks of hardwood or grouted tile due to their design. One drawback we found with this mop is that it struggled to pick up larger pieces of debris from the potting soil and marinara sauce. The rotating pads had the potential to create an even bigger mess in these instances. To mitigate this issue, we recommend doing a quick pass with a paper towel to remove larger chunks of food or debris before mopping. Despite Bissell's recommendation to use only their cleaning solutions, we found that the mop pads were effective with just water, eliminating the need for additional cleaning solutions. The maneuverability of this mop is excellent, thanks to its swivel mop head. It easily adjusts around corners and into tight spaces. The dual circular mop heads rotate as you push the mop, and dispensing the cleaning solution is as simple as pressing a button, allowing you to adjust the amount of spray used. It's important to note that this mop does not have an adjustable handle and remains fixed at a length of 45 inches. Therefore, it may not be suitable for individuals who prefer a customized height for their mop. O-Cedar Microfiber Spin Mop. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket System is the perfect budget spin mop for under $50. Unlike traditional string or sponge mops, this spin mop comes with a spinning and ringing mechanism to make cleaning a breeze. Simply twist the pole into the head and you're ready to go. We were impressed with how easily the O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop tackles tough stains like dirt, sauce, and oil on hardwood and laminate floors. The bucket features a hands-free ringing spinner, ensuring that your mop head stays dry and ready for the next use. Keep in mind, this model has one reservoir to catch all the water being wrung out, so you'll need to empty it occasionally. The extra fluffy head and lightweight handle make it comfortable to use. However, be aware that the fluffiness can sometimes get caught in tight corners and on furniture edges. On the upside, the machine-washable mop head is convenient, and the overall design is more compact, perfect for those with limited storage space. While it's not ideal for ceramic floors as it tends to push liquids around instead of absorbing them, the O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop is an excellent choice for cleaning grout, hardwood, laminate, and cement floors. Don't break the bank on a spin mop when you can get this budget-friendly option that gets the job done. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. Our top choice for the best spin mop is the O-Cedar Easy Ring RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. This mop is not only comfortable to use and easy to maneuver, but it also has a unique two-tank system that separates dirty water from clean water. With this system, you can confidently mop your floors without spreading soiled water around. One of the standout features of this spin mop is its triangular mop head, which allows it to reach into hard-to-reach places and get right up against structures like bookcases. It's a versatile mop that can tackle any corner or crevice with ease. The foot-activated spinning wringer is a convenient feature that allows you to wring out the excess water hands-free. This saves you time and effort during the cleaning process. Plus, it's safe for all hard surfaces, including hardwood floors. Our testers found it to be particularly effective on hardwood, though it may require a few more swipes on grouted tile. The mop head itself is fast-drying and easy to clean. After laundering the mop head, we found that it came out almost completely clean, with minimal staining on just a few strands. It's a durable and reliable mop head that will last you for a long time. It's worth mentioning that the bucket does not have wheels, so you will need to carry it by the handle as you move around your home. Despite this small inconvenience, the O-Cedar Easy Ring RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System is still an excellent choice for an overall spin mop. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best spin mop. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which spin mop you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.